Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard, and today I will be reading Poetry and Prose from Danny Martin Girard. He's the author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. You can find his work at DannyGS.fortoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Girard. Lessons from the Soul. You carry old scars that create your reality today. Those old scars become your frustrations and pain. They linger on and latch by your side, creating havoc in your mind and unfolding the path before you. As long as you carry that bitterness in the pit of your stomach, the past will present you with more frustrations and pain. Learn to let go and let love rule your mind and soul. When you do this, those old scars become memories or lessons within the depth of your soul. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was amazing. I believe this with all of my heart and soul. I believe if you keep carrying things on, yes, you will keep that bitter pain in your stomach, and you'll always be fighting through things, and you keep remembering things and hating those things. If you can learn to let go and follow love, like I always say, you'll be so happy if you follow love. Follow what you truly love, not the ego stuff, the wants and desires from the ego. Truly find yourself deep down inside what really makes you happy. That's what you're here for. And let go of all those things that happened in the past that you can't control. Stop thinking about it. Let it go. It was a lesson. You learn. It's an experience. You learn from it. Let it go. Be happy. Follow love. I believe you'll always be happy if you follow love. Thank you so much for listening. Have a beautiful day.